Have you ever wondered how our rivers, lakes, and oceans stay protected from direct industrial or municipal pollution? When a factory or a wastewater treatment plant releases water into a natural body of water, there is a complex system in place to prevent harm. Discharge permits regulate point source effluent by setting specific, legally enforceable limits and conditions on the pollutants that can be released into United States waterways. Essentially, they act as a gatekeeper, ensuring that what goes into our waters meets stringent environmental standards. The core mechanism behind this regulation is the National Pollutant Discharge Elimination System, or NPDES, permit program, established under the Federal Clean Water Act. This act mandates that any point source discharging pollutants into waters of the United States must obtain a permit. These permits quantify the maximum allowable concentrations or loads of specific pollutants, such as heavy metals, organic compounds, or nutrients. They are crucial because they transform the general requirements of the Clean Water Act into specific, actionable conditions for individual dischargers, ensuring that pollution is controlled at its source using appropriate treatment technologies like best available technology economically achievable, known as BAT, or best practicable control technology currently available, or BPT. In practice, facilities seeking to discharge effluent must apply for an NPDES permit. This application details the nature of their operations, the characteristics of their wastewater, and the treatment processes they employ. Once issued, the permit requires the facility to implement specified effluent limitations, conduct regular monitoring of their discharge, and submit periodic reports to regulatory agencies like the Environmental Protection Agency or state environmental departments. This continuous cycle of permitting, monitoring, and reporting ensures that discharges remains within safe boundaries and that treatment technologies are consistently applied and upgraded as needed. Adding an important layer of detail, these permits incorporate two primary types of effluent limitations: technology-based and water quality-based. Technology-based effluent limitations are derived from National Effluent Limitation Guidelines, or ELGS, which specify pollution control levels for categories of industries based on the performance of treatment technologies. Water quality-based effluent limitations, on the other hand, are developed when technology-based limits are not stringent enough to achieve the water quality standards of the receiving water body. This dual approach ensures that both the capability of available technology and the specific needs of the local ecosystem are considered. Ultimately, the system of discharge permits translates the scientific understanding of water pollution and its ecological impacts into a practical, enforceable framework. It allows for economic activity while simultaneously safeguarding the health of aquatic ecosystems and protecting public health, ensuring that our shared water resources remains clean and vital for all.
If you love learning about water, like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us.